Introducing the brand new KTM 990 Duke, the Sniper. It is a new engine, new chassis, a new exhaust. This is not a rehash of an old bike. It's an all-new machine. The KTM 990 Duke has a new frame and subframe that improves stability and maintains the agility that the Duke is known so well for. This means better precision. See for yourself. The KTM 990 Duke has the highest torque figure in its class, meaning it can do that very well. Controlling your wheelie can sometimes be hardcore. Therefore, KTM developed wheelie modes to enhance your performance and beat the competition. The new KTM 990 Duke comes with a lap timer because we want you to be even faster. Whether you're in an abandoned parking lot or Duke territory like here, you can keep testing your skills and smashing your lap times.